Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Unfortunately, I'm currently not feeling well, but I'm excited to share some cool math and science concepts with you today. I will be using 11 Labs to record my voice, so please bear with me. Today, we're going to explore some fascinating patterns and spirals. You might remember Spirograph from your childhood. It's a classic toy that creates intricate patterns using circular motion. Using turtle graphics, we can recreate this effect and generate beautiful patterns like this one. I failed at making the spirograph I wanted, unfortunately. Turtle graphics is a powerful tool for creating visual patterns and shapes. It's based on the concept of a turtle that moves around on the screen, leaving a trail of color behind it. We can use turtle graphics to create all sorts of patterns, from simple shapes to complex spirals. Phyllotaxis is the study of the arrangement of leaves on a stem. It's a fascinating example of how nature uses mathematical patterns to create efficient and beautiful structures. Using turtle graphics, we can generate Phyllotaxis spirals like this one, which shows the intricate pattern of leaf arrangement. Finally, let's take a look at the Fermat spiral Phyllotaxis, a variation of the Phyllotaxis spiral that uses a different pattern of leaf arrangement. This spiral is generated using a Fermat spiral, which is a type of spiral that gets closer and closer to a central point. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed exploring these mathematical patterns and spirals with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos on math and science concepts. I'll be back soon with more content, so stay tuned.